Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn how to get remote access to our Linux desktop using the VNC. In this lesson, we will learn how can we install and configure the VNC server. So let's install the VNC server. So type yum install tiger VNC server, then -y and press enter. Okay, now the VNC server has been installed successfully, so let's add a VNC user. So I will type user add VNC Torque and press enter. You can use any username from your choice. Okay, now let's copy the default VNC configuration file. So type cp/lib/systemd/system, then the default configuration file, which is VNC server@.service, and we will copy this file to /etc/systemd/system/VNC server@2.1.service. So this command will copy the default configuration file for VNC server and will change its name to VNC server@2.1.service. Now press enter. Okay, now let's edit the configuration file. So type nano /etc/d/system/VNC server@2.1.service and press enter. Let's go down. As you see, there are two words, user and user. Let's replace those two words with our VNC user. So I will delete this and type VNC Torque. Then I will delete this and type VNC Torque. Now let's save the file. So I will press on Ctrl X, then type Y and press enter. Okay, now we installed the VNC server, we added a VNC user, and we configured the VNC server at 2.1.service file. So let's allow VNC server from the firewall. So type firewall -cmd -permanent -zone equal public, then -add -service, then specify the service, which is VNC server, and press enter, and type firewall -cmd -reload and press enter. Okay, now the firewall D should allow connection to VNC service. Now let us switch to VNC Torque. So type su VNC Torque and press enter and start the VNC service for this user. To start the VNC service, type VNC server and press enter. Set the password for VNC Torque and press enter. Verify the password again and press enter. Now let's switch to root user to enable the VNC service on server boot. So type su and press enter. Now type the password for user root. Okay, let me clear the screen. To enable the VNC service on server boot, type systemctl daemon-reload and press enter. Sorry, I typed the daemon wrong. It should be DAEMON. So now press enter and type systemctl enable VNC server at 2.1.service and press enter. Now let's reboot the server So I will type reboot and press enter. Okay, we have rebooted the server, so let's start the VNC service for VNC Torque. So type systemctl start VNC server at 2.1.service and press enter. And by that we get to the end of this lesson. Check the next lesson to see how can we share our Linux desktop from Windows using VNC client.